Welcome to the installation instructions for the Rubbermaid Auto Faucet with surround sensor technology. The Rubbermaid SST Auto Faucet sets the standard for reliability and user-friendly performance in automated faucet systems. Surround sensor technology gives you easy, reliable upgrades and trouble-free operation. It's a sound long-term investment, reducing water use up to 70% and delivering positive user satisfaction and health benefits. Patented dry cam gear technology controls water flow with world-class reliability. The absence of solenoid valves avoids costly repairs and ensures worry-free operation by keeping electronic components separate from water flow. Rubbermaid SST auto faucets are available in 3 standard sizes: single hole mount, 4-inch center set mount, and 8-inch center set mount. The auto faucet can be ordered with or without mixing valves, with both manual and thermostatic mixing valves also available. The auto faucet comes standard with a 1.5 GPM aerator. Optional accessories available for particular installation needs include 6-inch extension hose, 0.5 GPM aerator, 0.5 GPM laminar aerator, single AC adapter, 6-pack AC adapter, wire assembly for 6-pack adapter, 10-inch and 12-inch flat cover plate in polished chrome. Important: read the installation instructions before you begin. First, identify all parts to be used as listed in the instructions. You will also need a flathead and Phillips screwdrivers, adjustable wrench, a 31/32 deep socket wrench, and needle nose pliers. To begin the installation, turn the water off. Do not use pipe dope or Teflon tape for any faucet or supply connection. Attach 2 threaded stud posts to bottom of cover plate and tighten with the screwdriver. Place guide spout through 3-hole center set in the countertop. Secure the faucet to the underside by placing 2 metal washers and lock washer onto threaded studs. Secure with provided hex nuts and brass nuts and tighten. Secure the spout by inserting the tab grounding spacer, brass mounting nut, and brass sensor washer. Be sure and tighten with socket wrench. Make sure connection washer is rotated 180 degrees from tab grounding spacer. And secure with brass nut using deep socket wrench. Connect 2 12-inch supply hoses to the mixing valve and tighten with the adjustable wrench. Insert rubber washer into mixing valve's brass nut fitting. Tighten to bottom of valve control module. Connect black sleeve earth ground wire into U-tab in back of valve control module. Connect yellow sleeved drain ground connector to the other side of the brass U-tab. Insert black rubber washer into white plastic nut. Hand tighten the valve control module to faucet shank. Place clamp over cold water supply shutoff. Connect green earth ground wire with black end to earth ground tab on cold water shutoff pipe. Mount the drain ground clamp to the metal drain pipe as close to the sink drain as possible. Connect the longer drain green ground wire to clamp tab to drain ground tab clamp. Connect the sensor drain ground wire from the VCM to the post tab grounding spacer. Connect the black sensor wire to the brass sensor washer tab. Connect the water supply hose lines and tighten with wrench. Connect the battery wires and hang the battery pack. Turn on the water and test the auto faucet. The Rubbermaid auto faucet is now installed and ready. Another innovative hygiene solution from Rubbermaid Commercial Products.